Hello, and welcome to this video about the power of visualization. Today, we'll be exploring the fascinating concept of visualization and how it can help us achieve our goals and manifest our dreams. Since the beginning of human history, the human mind has been a source of fascination and wonder. It has the power to shape our lives, influence our decisions, and create our reality. One of the most intriguing aspects of the human mind is the power of visualization, which has been celebrated throughout history as a mystical and philosophical concept that encourages us to create our own reality by focusing on what we want to manifest. Visualization is the mental act of picturing the desired outcome or goal in the mind's eye. It is a cognitive process that goes beyond mere imagination and delves into the mystical depths of human consciousness, where thoughts become reality. The power of visualization is deeply rooted in the human psyche, a testament to our innate drive to manifest our aspirations and dreams. The ancient Greeks recognized the power of visualization and employed it in their daily lives. They believed in the concept of eidetic memory, which is the ability to retain vivid mental images. This concept was later popularized by modern psychology and has been demonstrated to be a vital component in the art of manifestation. Our perception of reality is not a fixed objective truth, but is rather shaped by the way we interpret the world around us. The way we interpret our experiences and surroundings is a complex and active process that involves various cognitive and emotional factors. Visualization can play a significant role in shaping our perception of reality. By focusing our thoughts and emotions on a desired outcome, we can essentially rewrite our own perceptions of reality, thereby influencing our experiences and altering the course of our lives. In recent years, numerous studies have investigated the tangible effects of visualization and have demonstrated that it can have a significant impact on our lives. One of the most interesting findings in this field is that the brain cannot distinguish between real experiences and those that are vividly imagined. This means that when we visualize a specific outcome, our brains interpret it as a real event, thereby creating neural pathways that prime us for success. Athletes, for example, have long used visualization techniques to enhance their skills and achieve their goals. By mentally rehearsing their desired outcomes, they are able to enhance their physical abilities and boost their confidence. Research studies have also shown that individuals who regularly visualize their goals and outcomes are more likely to achieve them. To harness the power of visualization, there are some step-by-step instructions that you can follow. Firstly, set clear and specific goals. Setting clear and specific goals is a crucial step in harnessing the power of visualization. It allows you to focus your thoughts and energy on a specific outcome, which increases the likelihood of success. Secondly, create a mental image of what you want to achieve. Visualize yourself achieving your goals in as much detail as possible. Imagine what it would feel like to have achieved your goals and what you would see, hear, and experience. Thirdly, focus on your visualization regularly. Visualize your goals on a daily basis, preferably at the same time each day. This will help you to keep your goals in mind and stay motivated to achieve them. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals and manifest your dreams. By setting clear and specific goals, creating a visualization practice, and practicing regularly, you can harness the power of visualization to transform your life. Setting clear and specific goals is essential in focusing your thoughts and energy on a specific outcome. Take the time to reflect on your aspirations and identify what you want to manifest in your life. Whether it's related to your personal life, career, health, relationships, or any other area, be specific and avoid vague statements. Write down your goals using clear and specific language, including action words and details that make them tangible. Once you have a clear and specific goal in mind, it's time to create a visualization practice. Find a quiet and peaceful space where you won't be interrupted. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and relax your mind and body. Begin to picture yourself in the future after you have achieved your goal. Visualize the moment of success, experiencing the emotions associated with accomplishing your objective. Engage all your senses to create a vivid mental image of what you would see, hear, and feel in that moment of success. Make the image as real and detailed as possible, immersing yourself in the experience. The more realistic and vivid your mental image, the more your brain will perceive it as a real experience. It's important to note that going to sleep with the feeling isn't just about the act of falling asleep with the feeling. It's also about the quality of sleep you're getting. When you're in a deep state of relaxation and restful sleep, your brain is better able to process and integrate the information and emotions you've been focusing on. To improve your chances of manifesting money in less than 24 hours, create a peaceful and conducive environment for sleep. This may involve turning off electronics an hour before bed, using calming essential oils, or practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing. Additionally, it's crucial to trust the process and let go of any attachment to the outcome. Sometimes, when we desperately want something, we unintentionally block its manifestation by focusing too much on the lack of it in our lives. Instead, release any worries or doubts and trust that the universe will provide for you in the best possible way. Now, let me share a personal example of how this technique worked for me. A few months ago, I found myself in a tight financial situation. I needed to come up with $1,000 quickly to pay for unexpected expenses. Remembering this manifestation technique, I decided to give it a try. First, I got into the feeling state of already having the $1,000 I needed. I closed my eyes and visualized my bank account with a balance that exceeded my current situation. I felt the joy and excitement of having that kind of abundance in my life. I also repeated affirmations such as, "I am a money magnet, and money flows to me easily and effortlessly." Next, I believed that it was possible for me to have that kind of money in my life. I let go of any doubts or skepticism and fully embraced the belief that the money was already on its way to me. Finally, I went to sleep with that feeling, holding on to the feeling of relief and gratitude as I drifted off to sleep. And you know what? The next morning, I received an unexpected call from a friend who needed help with a project. They offered to pay me $1,000 for my assistance. I couldn't believe it. The money had come to me just as I had envisioned. This technique truly does work, but it requires focus, intention, and belief. I've used it several times since then, and it never fails to amaze me how quickly things can shift in my favor when I use it. If you've enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, you have the power to manifest abundance into your life. Trust the process, believe in yourself, and open yourself up to the limitless possibilities of the universe. We'll see you in the next video.